Hello for Sergio. First thing first, if you want to start to earn from $100 to $500 a day, all on autopilot, go up here on Cash In Daily. Make sure you got the right side because Cash In Daily is written with a dashes between the words. So today is a lovely day. Look at that. What day is today? Monday. Some people are maybe on holiday, some people are working. So my name is Sergio. I've been working online since a decade now. And the subject of today is, it's a question that often people ask me on private message. Sergio, how can I make $500 a month or residual income? So there is a big confusion about this because to earn residual income is not exactly like if you go out and do your job and get your $500. Because it's completely different, because whatever profession you're doing, whatever profession you have, if you have to make $500, you have just to exchange hours, but the next month, if you still want the $500, you will have to go down and show up to make money. So to create a $500 residual income to add up to your, your family or whatever you need it for, it's a completely different story. You must have, a system in place. You must have a product, a service that people repurchase on autopilot, and that service or product must be something that they really need, something that is really that they really need, and they use it every day. So just like here on Cash In Daily. So it's completely different. So if you don't, create something like that, you will never make this $500 because so many people there send me messages on messengers. Some people maybe known since I know them since years, and they said to me, "How come? It's been a long time, and I just don't have a residual income." Well, this is because you haven't got a system in place like this one on Cash In Daily. Second, you haven't got a product or service that people need it, okay? So, and third, which is most important, you haven't got a duplication, a replication of the system. Because if you go out there and working by yourself, you cannot make a match. So you must have a system like here or Cash In Daily where you go inside, when they train your people, when themselves they can duplicate all the system, and the system itself can serve all your business that you have, and the business itself, it brings you money every day, because it's something that everybody who wants to make money online, every marketer who is working online needs it. Okay, so remember, don't confuse. You cannot, if you want to have $400 a month, you must have something in place, like a system. But because if you go out there and sell things even for $1,000, then the next month you must go and sell them again. But if you got a system in place, if you got a team in place that are repurchasing the system and the services, you got this duplication going on. Okay, I hope this helps you. If you see this video, sorry about the sound. If you see this video in Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, if you like it, put a like. If you don't like it, put a comment or whatever, and you can share it with someone who may need this information, so they don't do this confusion, because they just go out there and sell things every day, and then they wonder why you haven't got any residual income. Well, because you haven't got the right tools, you haven't got the right system in place, like here on Cash In Daily. Okay, so you can go up here, you put your email on Cash In Daily, and you will have training, for you and all your person. You will have also a training from 8-figure earner, so you know exactly how you have to do. Even if you have another business, you can plug in. Okay, I hope this helped you. Have a lovely day, and remember, be the best in whatever you do.